Welcome back to Bike Studio, your trusted spot for everything on two wheels. Today we're diving into a machine that blends adventure and practicality in one sleek package, the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 250GS. This bike has been making waves in the adventure touring community, and in this video, we'll cover every detail you need to know, from design and performance to comfort and overall value. Suzuki has always been known for crafting motorcycles that cater to both new riders and seasoned adventurers, and the V-Strom 250GS is no exception. At first glance, the bike carries the iconic V-Strom family DNA with its sharp beak-style front end, tall stance, and muscular proportions. The 2025 model takes this styling a step further with sleeker bodywork, LED lighting all around, and an overall more premium finish that gives it a rugged yet modern appeal. It's clear Suzuki wanted this bike to look like a smaller sibling of its bigger adventure machines like the V-Strom 650 and 1050, and it nails that impression perfectly. Underneath the stylish bodywork, the heart of the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 250GS is a refined 248 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. This motor is liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and designed for smooth power delivery across the rev range. It produces enough punch to handle daily commuting in the city while also providing confident performance on highways and light off-road trails. Riders will appreciate the balance between efficiency and power, as the bike delivers excellent fuel economy without compromising on fun. Paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox, shifting is smooth and engaging, making long rides less tiring and more enjoyable. When it comes to ride quality, Suzuki has equipped the V-Strom 250GS with a suspension setup that's designed to handle mixed terrain. The telescopic front forks and rear monoshock provide a comfortable ride over city potholes, uneven backroads, and gravel trails. While it's not meant to be a hardcore off-roader, it offers enough versatility for adventure enthusiasts who want to explore beyond the pavement. The seat height is set at a comfortable level, making it accessible to a wide range of riders, while the ergonomics ensure an upright and relaxed riding posture. Long journeys are more enjoyable thanks to the wide handlebars, spacious seating, and a windscreen that reduces fatigue from windblast at higher speeds. On the braking front, Suzuki has given the bike disc brakes at both ends along with dual-channel ABS for added safety. The braking system feels sharp and dependable, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets. The wheels are 17-inch alloys wrapped in dual-purpose tires, giving the bike a balance between road grip and off-road capability. Riders will feel confident taking on a variety of terrains, knowing the bike is built to adapt to different conditions. Technology has also taken a step forward in the 2025 V-Strom 250GS. The fully digital LCD instrument cluster displays all the necessary information clearly, from speed and RPM to fuel efficiency, gear position, and trip meters. There's also a USB charging port to keep your devices powered on the go, which is a handy feature for long-distance touring. Suzuki has designed this motorcycle with practicality in mind, offering optional luggage mounts and accessories to transform it into a true touring companion. In terms of performance numbers, the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 250GS strikes a sweet spot between being beginner-friendly and experienced rider-approved. It's not intimidating, yet it offers enough excitement to keep riders engaged on longer adventures. Fuel efficiency hovers around 30 to 35 km per liter depending on riding style, making it economical for daily use and long trips alike. With its refined engine, modern looks, and thoughtful features, this bike sits perfectly in the entry-level adventure segment. So, who is this bike for? The V-Strom 250GS is ideal for riders who want to step into the adventure touring world without breaking the bank or handling a heavy, intimidating machine. It's a great choice for commuters who want a stylish yet practical bike, as well as travel enthusiasts eager to explore highways and scenic routes with comfort. To sum it up, the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 250GS offers adventure DNA in a compact and approachable package. It's stylish, efficient, and capable of handling multiple roles, from city commutes to weekend getaways. For riders looking for a versatile entry-level adventure bike, this could be one of the best options in 2025. That's all for today's review here at Bike Studio. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Suzuki V-Strom 250GS, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more detailed bike content, and let us know in the comments what you think of this adventure machine. Would you choose this over its rivals? Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.